Hello, this is Mirhan Hippolito, a Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, I will show you how to use Bybit P2P. Register on the Bybit platform. Complete the verification process, Know Your Customer (KYC), to gain access to all the platform's features. After completing registration and verification, log into your account. In the top menu, select Buy Cryptocurrency and then P2P Trading to access the platform. Choose either buying or selling, as well as the currency and cryptocurrency you want to exchange. To do this, use the appropriate filters. Additionally, you can specify the amount in fiat currency you want to spend on buying cryptocurrency. Select the offer with the most favorable rate for you. Then, click the Buy Cryptocurrency or Sell Cryptocurrency button. Before confirming the deal, make sure that the seller buyer has a high rating and positive reviews. Familiarize yourself with the limits, available payment methods, and the deal's execution time. If you are buying cryptocurrency, transfer the specified amount to the seller using the chosen payment method. Do not transfer funds before the deal begins, and always verify the payment details. After sending the payment, click the I have paid button to notify the seller. The seller will verify the receipt of funds and confirm the deal. As soon as the seller confirms the payment, Bybit will unlock the cryptocurrency and transfer it to your P2P wallet. You can then transfer the funds to your main Bybit wallet or use them for trading. If the seller does not confirm the deal, or if any disputes arise, you can contact Bybit support for arbitration. To learn tips for safe trading on Bybit P2P, click the link in the description of this video. Subscribe, like, leave comments, and suggest topics for new videos. See you on the channel.